guys, people, we finally have it. I buy and found this Speed Champion Collection BMW Motorsport. Yesterday we was in Lego store and only 3 of these left, so I pick one up immediately. I don't know if it's gonna sold out quick or no, I don't know, because last time when I was trying to buy this, they didn't have it, but yesterday they do. So this one Speed Champion Collection of BMW Motorsport have 2 cars, one BMW M4 GT3 and one BMW M Hybrid V8. So in today's video, of course, gonna be a review and unboxing. And next video we're gonna do a speed build. The speed build gonna be in 2 parts. One part 1, 2 part 2nd. So unboxing, next video speed build in 2 parts, part 1, part 2. In first part we're gonna build one I think this, and part 2 we're gonna build this, or vice versa, we're gonna see. Without further ado, let's unbox this thing. Nice. Ooh, this is gonna be huge. What is this? I will open this. Oh, the glue is strong here. Oh, nice. We have stickers, manual for one car, manual for the car, manual for the formula, and of course all stickers. Oof. This build gonna be, I think, much harder than the build of Nissan Skyline. So 5, 6, 1. Okay, plate for the car, I think. Box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5, box 6, 7 boxes. OMG. So yes, this unboxing is huge, this package is huge, and it's pretty nice. So next video we're gonna build a BM car. Okay, part 2. Sorry guys, my phone camera, I was kick my camera down, sorry. So yes, like I said in the beginning of the video, there's gonna be 2 parts, but I'm pretty sure now first part gonna be this BMW car, and then part 2 or the next part gonna be this BMW formula. This is gonna be a pretty big build. As you can see, this is pretty big unboxing. So yes, thanks for watching, and this build gonna be a bomb. I pretty damn like this box, this BMW Lego. Thanks for watching, and guys, as always, see you in the next video. Peace.